Hi guys, thanks for joining me today as we make new words by adding a sound to a different word. Okay, so here we go. My word is saw. So I want you to say saw, and I want you to add k to the end of it. What word do you get when you say saw plus k? Saw plus k makes sock. Okay, now say go and add t. What word do you get when you say go and you add t to the end of it? What's go plus t? Goat. Okay, now I want you to say bye and add k to the end of it. What word do you make when you start with bye and you add k? Bye plus k is bike. Okay, now I want you to say for. Say for and add k to the end of the word. What's for plus k? For and k. Did you get it? It is fork. Okay, now I want you to say tie. This time say tie and add to the end of it. What's tie with tie and Did you get it? Tire. Okay, now I want you to say lamb and add p to the end. What's lamb with p? Lamb and p. Did you make a new word? Lamp. Okay, now I want you to say who. Say who, and add t to the end of it. Who plus t. Who and t. Did you get it? Hoot, hoot. Hoot, like what an owl says. Okay, now start with T and add What's T plus One more time. T, Team. Go, team, go. Now I want you to say car and add t to the end of that word. What's car plus t? Car and t is cart. Okay, now say ham and add to the end of it. What's ham with Ham and Well, it's a hammer. Now say batter. Hey, batter, 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 batter. Or batter like batter that you mix when you're making pancakes or something. Say batter and add E to the end of it. What's batter with E? One more time, batter and E. Changes the word batter to battery. And this is our last one. Say scar. Maybe you fell down and cut your knee and you got a scar. What's scar with f on the end? Add f to the end of scar. What's scar with f? It's a scarf. Okay, you're doing great. See you next time.